Hey guys, this is Dami here and I'm back with another video. In this video, I show you guys how I make my multi-purpose shea butter cream. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. In this video, I'm using yellow unrefined shea butter. It has the highest nutrient content, but you can also use white refined shea butter that comes with no scent and also whips a bit easier. Shea butter has so many benefits. It's moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, it's a natural SPF. It also fades dark marks and scars, as well as my storage containers. I have my hand mixer and my oils. And now we're ready to start. First things first, we're going to be adding the coconut oil. Coconut oil is a high emollient, which basically just means that it softens, smooths, and moisturizes. Next, I'll be adding my castor oil, which nourishes the skin, softens, reduces cellulitis. It also lightens scars. And remember, we also use castor oil for growth. That's why people put it on their lashes and their eyebrows. Next, we'll be using olive oil. Olive oil is really good for hair, but it's also good for skin. Some people don't like it for their skin because it's a little bit oily, but it blends really well with carrier oils. Next, I'll be using sweet almond oil. This is suitable for all skin types. It helps relieve itching, dryness, and inflammation. After that, I'll be using avocado oil, which just has a lot of repairing properties, and it penetrates the deepest layers of our skin for more and more protection. After that, we'll be using vitamin E oil. Like we all know, it is an antioxidant which moisturizes and actually can help heal wounds. It has a lot of healing property and can also restore dehydrated skin. So we mix that all together. We have our hand mixer and we mix. I'm working on room temperature shea butter with room temperature oils. I mix for about 2 to 3 minutes and that's it. Nice, smooth consistency, exactly what I'm looking for. So soft, so relaxing. Oh, guys, look at that. Shine, baby, shine. Next, we're gonna make sure that none of this beautiful cream we have made goes to waste. Scrape as much as you can. Up close and personal, nice and soft. You can honestly see how fluffy that looks and how soft that looks. I'm pushing everything down to make sure that when I collect it, I'm really getting everything from the bowl. I grab a Ziploc bag, I open it in a way where I will not be touching the sides. I make like a little cup and then I begin to pour the cream mixture into the bag, making sure that I do not touch the sides of the bag. We don't want to waste the cream, so we want to make sure that majority of it goes to the bottom of the bag and we don't waste any on the sides or the edges. So after I put it in the bag, I close the bag, grab a pair of scissors, and just cut one of the corners off of the Ziploc bag. I grab my container and then I begin to pour it. Do a little 1-2 tap, get that to the bottom, and I fill it right back up. I got these jars from my local Dollar Tree. And then I fill my own personal jar up with the remainder of the cream. If you guys want to know how these oils are also beneficial for your hair, click the link above to my DIY oil mixture. Here's the finished product. These small containers give me about 60 mils of product, which is perfect for gifting. I like to use this product after a shower to lock in the moisture on the ends of my hair throughout the year and as a sealant during the winter. It can be applied directly to your hair, and as you can see, my hair has a beautiful shine, very soft. My hair is thanking me. Okay guys, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I sure am gonna enjoy all this. And yes, of course, this would have already been given away to a lucky winner on Instagram. I did give away my whole wash day routine, plus my favorite products, plus my DIY products, plus everything, literally anything that you would need. I gave it to you, and I plan on doing things like that again, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you guys don't want to miss another giveaway. Also, if you guys just want to see what I do on a day-to-day basis when I'm not here on YouTube, make sure you guys follow me for that. And last but not least, if you made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week, Tuesday at 2 p.m. for my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for she's laughing with me. And that is, listen, not too much noise. Okay, you can't go behind me.